I'm going to be showing you guys on how to set up Apple Pay on iOS 18. So it's really easy. Just go ahead and open your settings, and once you're here, scroll down till you find Wallet and Apple Pay right here under iCloud. Once you tap here, you can see in payment cards there's Apple Cash. So if you have not set this up, just go ahead and tap here, tap on continue, use your Face ID to confirm that it's you, tap on agree. So it is setting up your Apple Cash for you. Tap on continue. You need to verify your identity, write down your name, tap on next. You need to enter your home address. You need to make sure that you're in US. So just write down the name of your street, your apartment, and also your zip code, and tap on next. So after you verify your identity, you would just need to enter your payment details, and in this way you can successfully set up your Apple Pay or Apple Cash on iOS 18.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.